1. 1973 Chevrolet Nova, $9,995, Greenbrier, Arkansas. First up, we have a 1973 Chevrolet Nova that's been turned into a full drag car. It may wear the front end of a 71, but under the hood sits a massive 468 big block Chevy, complete with Edelbrock aluminum heads, a hydraulic roller camshaft, and full roller rockers. This setup makes around 500 horsepower, paired with a TH400 transmission and a 3,000 stall converter. The chassis is race-ready with a full cage, coilovers, and a narrow Dana 80 rear end. With new tires, odometer gauges, and a strong 5-gallon fuel cell, this Nova is perfect for someone looking to jump straight into racing or customize it into their own track beast. Two, 1977 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, $8,995, West Columbia, Texas. Next is a beautiful 1977 Chevrolet Corvette, part of the legendary C3 lineup. This one comes in a deep burgundy exterior with a black interior, showing off that classic long-nosed design that Corvette fans love. It's driven just over 134,000 miles with a rebuilt carburetor, new distributor, fresh calipers, and a new master cylinder. The interior has been refreshed with sound deadening and heat shielding, making the ride quieter and more comfortable. While there are a few finishing touches left to do, this Corvette runs very well and is a true American sports car icon at an affordable price. Three, 1961 Cadillac DeVille, $7,500, Cape Coral, Florida. For luxury fans, here's a 1961 Cadillac DeVille finished in green inside and out. This two-owner classic still runs and drives, and it comes with a clean title in hand. While it may need some work, the DeVille is one of Cadillac's most recognizable models, known for its comfort, elegance, and impressive size. With some restoration, this car could be transformed back into the ultimate cruiser, perfect for car shows or weekend drives. 4. 1973 Ford Mustang, $8,500, Lake Jackson, Texas. At number 4, we've got a 1973 Ford Mustang in a striking blue exterior with a black interior. The motor and transmission are reported to be in good shape, though the carburetor needs replacement. With a little bit of mechanical attention, this pony car could easily get back on the road. The 1973 Mustang holds a special place as one of the last of the early body Mustangs before the redesign in 1974, making it a desirable find for classic muscle enthusiasts. 5. 1967 Ford Ranchero, $9,250, Porter, Texas. Now here's something unique. A 1967 Ford Ranchero. Half car, half truck, the Ranchero was Ford's answer to combining style with utility. This one features a built 429 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. While it's been off the road for a few years and will need brakes and a tune-up, it still runs and drives. With minor rust but overall solid bones, this Ranchero just needs some care to bring it back as a fun, head-turning ride. 6. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe, $7,500, Mascot, Tennessee. Coming in at number 6 is a 1978 Chevrolet Camaro with a strong 383-stroker engine. The seller notes that the gearing is a bit low for their liking, but the motor is very powerful and makes this Camaro a serious performer. With its bold brown exterior and red interior, it carries that unmistakable late 70s muscle car vibe. Priced at $7,500, it's a solid entry point for anyone looking for raw American performance without breaking the bank.
Seven, 1964 Buick Electra, $10,000, Travelers Rest, South Carolina. Here we have a clean 1964 Buick Electra, finished in white with a striking red interior. This classic Buick has been fitted with 20-inch Detroit steel wheels and is powered by a strong 445 engine. Known for their big, comfortable ride and sleek body lines, the Electra offers both presence and performance. It's a car that stands out at any gathering, perfect for someone who loves stylish American luxury. At number 8, we've got a 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe powered by a straight-six engine and paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. This car has seen an older restoration, with some chips and cracks in the paint, but overall it's solid. Recent upgrades include new tires, brakes, fuel lines, an aluminum radiator, plugs, wires, and even a new carburetor. The only thing it currently needs is the brakes bled. For $10,000, it's an affordable entry into the Mustang world, offering both fun and classic style. 9. 1978 Pontiac Firebird Coupe, $7,000, Bylonia, Arkansas. Next is a 1978 Pontiac Firebird, one of the coolest muscle cars of the late 70s. This example comes in white and features the original Chevy 350 engine. The seller includes extra T-tops, dealer invoices, a reproduction window sticker, and even the original build sheet. It's had the floors replaced, new body bushings installed, and comes with the dealer shop manual and memos. At $7,000, it's a fantastic deal for a Firebird packed with history and extras.
Number 10, 1975 GMC 3500 regular cab long bed, $1,000, Benton, Illinois. Finally, we have a rugged project vehicle, a 1975 GMC 3500 tow truck. It's powered by a 292 inline-six engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. Despite being parked outside for nearly 50 years, it still runs and drives, though it needs brakes and some linkage adjustments for the PTO and winch. The body shows rust throughout, but for just $1,000, it could be the perfect base for someone who loves restoring heavy-duty classics or wants a unique square body project.